Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty has recovered 2% today from lower levels. Bank Nifty also has closed with 1% high today. So let's check the big players data, who has covered their shorts or who has put their money in the cash market, why the market has rallied today. So FII in future index, they were having a 17.2% long. So they have increased their long by 13 percentage today, and they have covered their short by 13 percentage. So this is a good sign they are covering their short and increasing their longs. And in option index, they have increased the longs and as well increased the put also. This is purely in buying. So long build up 20,000 contract they have increased. So they have 22,000 contract in call buying, and in put they have increased 63,000 contracts. So they have 1,74,000 contract in put buying. And in cash market they have purchased for 4,391 crore. The good thing about FII today is they are purchasing in cash market and they increase their long in futures. So this is a good sign that they are becoming slight positive now and they hedge their positions in options data. Now let's check client. Client in future index, they have reduced their longs while comparing to prior day, and they have increased their short by 6%. So they are booking the profit on long side. And in option index, in call also they have booking their profit. So they have unwinded long position by 1.75 lakh contract. And in put, they having a put writing contract. Here also they have booked a good profit in put writing also. They have unwinded short build up of 1.54 lakh contract. So see, client are the retailers, they are booking their profit now in F&O, and in cash market they have purchased for 1038 crores. Proprietor risk in futures they have no changes, 66% long and 34% short. And in option index, in call they have unwinded the call writing because I think they are in loss in this call writing position. So they have short unwinding of 1.54 lakh contract, and input they have made a fresh put writing of 85,000 contract. So yesterday what position they were having, they are in loss. So they have unwinded the position and made a fresh put writing of 85,000 contract. So proprietor have made a loss today and they have sold for 1,318 crores in the cash market. So let's check the price action. Before checking the price action, we will check India VIX. India VIX is at 16.8. So it has cooled down. This is very good for our market and this is bad for the option buyers because option buyers won't make good money. The premium don't move quickly. Now let's check the price action Nifty in one day time frame. What happened from last 3 days? Very good recovery we have seen, and it is near to the all-time high it has reached, and we can see a volume is also okay, not an issue. Volume is also strengthening out. If there is a breakout, and we can still see some movement on a higher side now. So Nifty is super bullish. Now let's check the Bank Nifty in one-day time frame. Bank Nifty also made the same pattern. There was a very good recovery and it is near to its resistance level. So we have to check the resistance is going to break or not. As per the volume has been increased. So I don't think this is going to break. But Nifty is super bullish comparing to the Bank Nifty now. So it is wait and watch. If it is breaking with a good volume, so we can see a new highs in Bank Nifty also. So Nifty is bullish, Bank Nifty is wait and watch. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy weekend. Bye.